To download apps on the Samsung A27 5G, you can actually do this in the 2 or even 3 ways. So the first and the most common way, just go for the Google Play Store, go for search, input the name of the application that you want to download or pick it up from recommendation and click on the install. After that, application will be available on your home screen or in the application drawer. The same you can do by using a Galaxy Store. So this is the store with the applications but from a Samsung. You cannot find all of those apps that you can find in the Google one, but still it's possible to use it. It works just the same. And there's also another option. So if there's like any application that you cannot find in the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store, you can just simply open your browser, go for the browser, and right now you will have to also input the name of the application. Let's say the Huawei application called AI Live, and you have to add the APK phrase. You'll be able to find different websites where you can actually download the APK file, and then finally when it will be on your phone, it should be in the downloads, you can just pick this file and install.